Picture this. You've been doing crunches every single day for 3 months straight. Your abs are burning, you're sweating buckets, and you're convinced that stubborn belly fat is finally going to disappear. But when you look in the mirror, that same roll of fat is still sitting there, mocking you like it's got nowhere else to be. You're targeting your problem areas with laser focus, doing endless leg lifts for your thighs and tricep dips until your arms shake. Yet somehow, the fat seems to be melting off everywhere except the exact spots you desperately want to change. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and give you the practical beginner strategies that actually work to transform your body. And if you want a complete roadmap to finally lose fat the right way, make sure to check out the program below in the description that breaks down everything step by step. Here's the brutal truth that fitness influencers don't want you to know. Your body doesn't care about your wish list. When you're lying on your yoga mat doing bicycle crunches, dreaming of a flat stomach, your body is quietly deciding to burn fat from your arms instead. It's like asking your boss for a raise and getting a pizza party. Your genetics wrote this script long before you ever stepped foot in a gym. Some people store fat in their hips and thighs first, like a pear shape building from the bottom up. Others pack it around their midsection, creating that apple silhouette. And when it's time to lose fat, your body follows the same pattern in reverse, but not necessarily starting where you want it to. Think of your fat cells like a hotel. Some rooms get filled first when guests arrive, and some rooms get emptied first when guests check out. You can't control which rooms your body chooses to empty, no matter how many times you knock on the door. Number 1, the spot reduction myth that's wasting your time. Walk into any gym and you'll see the same scene playing out. Someone doing hundreds of crunches, convinced they're melting belly fat with every rep. Another person doing endless squats, certain they're sculpting their thighs. It's like trying to tan only your left arm by holding it closer to the sun. When you do crunches, you're building the muscle underneath the fat. That's great for strength and definition, but those muscles are hidden under a layer that won't budge until your overall body fat percentage drops. It's like polishing a car that's covered in snow. The shine is there, you just can't see it yet. Here's what's actually happening inside your body. When you exercise, your body releases fatty acids into your bloodstream from fat cells all over your body, not just from the area you're working. Your muscles then grab these fatty acids for energy, but they don't care if that energy came from your belly fat or your back fat. This is why you might notice your face getting leaner before your stomach, or your arms getting more defined while your thighs stay the same. Your body has its own priority system, and unfortunately, you don't get to be the manager. Number 2, why your body fights you on fat loss. Imagine your body as a survival expert who's been preparing for the apocalypse since birth. Every calorie you store is like canned food in the bunker, and your body wants to keep the most essential supplies in the safest places for as long as possible. For women, this often means holding onto fat in the hips and thighs because evolution decided those areas were crucial for reproductive health. Your body literally thinks it's protecting your future family by keeping that storage intact, even when you're just trying to fit into your favorite jeans. For men, the belly often becomes the last stand. That's where your body feels most comfortable storing emergency fuel, wrapped around your vital organs like a protective cushion. Your body sees your diet and exercise routine as a temporary inconvenience, not a lifestyle change. This is why those last 10 pounds are always the hardest. Your body starts fighting back harder as you get leaner, slowing down your metabolism and increasing hunger hormones. It's like your body is saying, hey, remember me? I'm trying to keep you alive over here, right, Calver? Number 3, the beginner workout strategy that actually works. Here's where most people get it wrong. They think more targeted exercises equal more targeted results, but the most effective approach is exactly the opposite. You want to create a metabolic earthquake that shakes fat loose from everywhere at once. Full body compound movements are your secret weapon. Think squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows. These exercises force multiple muscle groups to work together, creating a massive energy demand that your body has to meet by burning fat from all over. Picture a squat. You're not just working your legs. Your core is bracing, your back is stabilizing, your arms are engaged, and your heart is pumping harder to supply oxygen to all these working muscles. It's like turning on every appliance in your house at once. Your body has to pull power from everywhere to keep up. Start with body weight versions if you're new to this. A perfect push-up from your knees burns more total calories than 100 sloppy crunches. A wall sit that makes your entire body shake is worth more than endless leg raises that you barely feel. The magic number for beginners is 3 full body sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Give your body time to recover between sessions, but keep the frequency high enough to create consistent demand for energy. Number 4, the nutrition truth nobody talks about. You can't out-exercise a bad diet, but you also can't diet your way to spot reduction. The secret is creating a moderate calorie deficit that lets your body burn fat steadily without triggering starvation mode. Think of your daily calories like a budget. You need enough to pay all your bills, keeping your organs running, your brain thinking, and your muscles recovering. But you want a small deficit that forces your body to dip into savings, which is your stored fat. Most beginners make the mistake of cutting calories too drastically. They go from eating 3,000 calories a day to 1,200 overnight. Your body panics and starts hoarding every calorie like a doomsday prepper, slowing down your metabolism and making fat loss nearly impossible. Instead, aim for a deficit of 300 to 500 calories per day. This creates steady fat loss of about 1 pound per week without sending your body into survival mode. It's like slowly turning down the thermostat instead of throwing open all the windows in winter. Focus on protein first. Aim for your body weight in grams of protein each day. If you weigh 150 pounds, eat 150 grams of protein. This keeps your muscles strong while you're losing fat and helps you feel full longer. Number 5, the patience game that wins every time. Here's the hardest part. The areas you most want to change will likely be the last to respond. It's like waiting for your favorite song to come on the radio. You have to sit through a lot of other music first, but when it finally plays, it's worth the wait. Your face might lean out first. People will start commenting that you look different, even when you can't see changes in your problem areas yet. Then your arms might tighten up or your legs might start showing more definition. Trust the process, even when it feels like nothing is happening where you want it most. Take progress photos every 2 weeks, same lighting, same poses, same time of day. What feels like no progress day to day becomes obvious transformation when you compare photos from month to month. It's like watching a plant grow. You don't see it happening in real time, but the change is undeniable over weeks. Measure your waist, hips, arms, and thighs monthly. Sometimes the scale doesn't move, but inches disappear. Sometimes you lose weight but gain muscle definition. The mirror and the measuring tape tell a more complete story than the scale ever could. Remember, sustainable fat loss is like a good Netflix series. It takes time to develop, there are ups and downs along the way, but the final result is worth the journey. Your body will eventually release fat from your stubborn areas, but only after it feels safe and secure that this new lifestyle is permanent. The fastest way to see results is actually to slow down and be consistent. 3 workouts per week for 6 months beats 7 workouts per week for 3 weeks every single time. Your transformation is happening even when you can't see it yet. Trust your body, trust the process, and trust that consistency always wins in the end. If this helped you understand why your body works the way it does, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical fitness tips that actually work in the real world.